Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again in Planex Excel Tool. Today we're going to talk about the new version 5. We have two main features, but before we talk about it, I want to tell you that you can download this tool free from planexcg.com tools, and you can download it free. Once you fill this form, you will get link for the YouTube playlist explaining the tool. We have here version 4, the main feature, and what we add new in version 4.5. And after this video we'll see version 5, the new feature. Let's start with the new things. The first thing we have, or the main thing we have here, is creating the WBS in Excel and export it as XER. Before, it's a little bit challenged to put all the WBS breakdown in P6 and arranging the levels and all of this. First, you need to create the layout to export the WBS. And I have here one ready example. Here you have to write the project name, and then we have 14 level with unlimited rows. You can write the design, procurement, construction, and then you can break down more detail and more detail. The main thing is make sure you have a logic for this WBS. What I mean, you cannot, here you have level 3 and then you will get level 6. No, make sure you have a proper breakdown for the structure. Also, don't add two values in the same row, and for this I have check before creating the XER. If you have two values in the same row, you will get this message and you have to check and delete. Once you finish your WBS structure, just click on create XER, select the folder, and here you can write the project or the XER name. I will write new project, okay, without extension. I will open direct the P6, and from here import, select project, select the file, new project 10, create new project, enterprise, and finish. Here it's imported successful, and if you open, you will get the same WBS you have. And also in version 5.2, make sure you have 5.2, because I fixed one mistake was leading to add the same number or the code code for each WS. But in this version here, it has unique number for every or each WBS. From this, you can start building your schedule by adding the activity and go on. Okay. The next feature we have is copy to last, and this feature more related to the progress measurement sheet. If you didn't watch how to use the PMS, there is a playlist. I will leave it in the comment or description. I'm explaining from scratch how to build a dynamic progress measurement sheet for your project with dynamic data date like this. If I write here 20 February 22, the plan will change. And this actual also we explain how to get it from the P6 or export it from here to P6. The feature we have today, copy to last, as I said. So after you update, sometimes you need to save these values with a date, so you can make a trend analysis over the week or months. How to use it? Simple, copy to last, and you can select, even if you have this sheet, this weekly tracker in the same sheet or another open sheet, just select, I have this file 1.12, and I have this sheet weekly. Okay, select the column and okay. You will get the new column here, and you can simply write the date, for example 1/4/22. It works also with multiple columns, as you can see now. Same step, select this one. I will select weekly, okay, and select this columns. Okay, it will copy the columns here. In addition to this feature, I fixed some issues and try to make some enhancement to the tool. I hope you find this tool good for you and good for your work. You can support the tool from here. This will help us to keep the tool for free and add more features. Thank you for your watching.